All of this comes as Governor Lee is prepared to open the state's economy by next week.
But what does that mean for social distancing guidelines moving forward? News Channel 5's Chris Davis listened into the governor's news conference today. Chris, did the governor clarify any of these details?
A few, Rory. He did say that social distancing will have to continue on and that gatherings larger than 10 people will still not be allowed. But he still says that the state is ready to reopen once again, because when you take the average number of cases, that trajectory is still downward, according to the state's numbers. Here's how he explained it.
If you look at the single-digit percentages over those 18 days, they go up and down, but they steadily, as on aggregate, decline. And that is consistent with a decline over a 14-day period of time in cases.
But state Democrats disagree. Representative Mike Stewart tweeted earlier today, quote, "The experts say we aren't ready and we should listen," end quote. Dr. Lisa Piercy, the state's top doctor, says Tennessee will soon have a better idea of how COVID-19 is spreading because of contact tracing. Now, that's when someone tests positive for COVID-19. The state health department actually calls other people that the patient may have come in contact with. They say it not only helps them notify people that may be at risk, but also helps them keep tabs on how this is spreading.
All of those individuals must be made aware of their potential exposure. It's easy to see how this number can get out of hand really quickly, so it requires increasing manpower numbers to handle all of these notifications.
Now, of course, the big question in all this is still, which businesses will be allowed to open up? Which ones will have to remain to be closed? We didn't get any answers on that today, but the governor hinted we should know later this week, perhaps as early as tomorrow. Live in the newsroom, Chris Davis, News Channel 5.